Hey, what is going on, everyone? We have a Keter folding work table right here in front of us. This came from Amazon, and how much was it? It was like $100, right? It was like $100. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's in here. Oh, there's no opening on this side. So let's put it down. It's pretty heavy. But you know, if it has to be sturdy, it has to be heavy. But it's not really that heavy. You could carry it around, and I think you have to carry it around. Oh, you can also carry it like this as a briefcase kind of thingy. It's not that heavy, honestly, for a work table. It's not that crazy heavy. How many pounds is it? 32? 32 something like that. So this thing also has clamps and stuff, so it's gonna make life a lot easy for cutting stuff and all that, holding stuff down. Okay, we got our user manual in here, in this little packet, and let's get rid of the tape. There you go. There's a trick to opening this. Let's talk about the actual thing here. A very sturdy surface here. You know, it doesn't even bend or flex. I'm standing on it. Yep, it doesn't even flex even a bit. So that's pretty good. It has a lot of good support in here. And we've got some stuff in here. I forgot how you do it, like this. Like that. Okay, and then you're gonna see this thing here goes to locked position here. So that's how you know it's locked up. All good to go. And we have two on this on top over here on the sides. We got two spaces. These are also gonna say locked when we lock this in, I think. It's like right here. Somehow this part is gonna get locked up, but these bend that up, and then it goes to the side like that, and then press it. There you go. That's pretty much it. Is there anything that goes over here? No, right? Oh, these were the tabs that we pushed down to open the whole thing here. So, you know, that tab over here somewhere was up there. And let's see. These are the clamps. They're hidden in this little storage compartment. And wrapped in plastic. Another thing that trapped in there. So we've got two actually. You see this notch? The notch goes into this like that, and then you go like that, and then you have to basically press this and then put this in, and then you let it go. This thing locks in place. And you see how level this is, so it's not gonna, you know, interfere with your work. And then you have a 2x4 in here, and you could clamp that down. I don't want to clamp down my hand, but you get the idea. Let's do this one to show you guys one more time. So you're gonna go like this. And then once we come down here, let's open this up a little bit. This one goes in right away in there, and then we got this notch here. This notch is gonna go in this part here, but in order for us to fit in here, we're gonna have to press the trigger and then go in, and then release the trigger. It's not going anywhere. Just like that, we got that done. And then there's another way that you can also set it up vertically. I forgot how you do it, but you could do it, you know, vertically as well. So, you know, that's pretty much, you know, with that. So in case you need to, you know, cut something or hold something down or something like that, you can definitely do that. This is a very sturdy table here. You know, you could actually trust this thing. You can stand on it. It just feels sturdy, you know, just because, you know, just by, you know, touching it, you could kind of understand how sturdy this thing actually is. So you know, there's no reason for not to trust it. It has a little plastic kind of rubber kind of feet, but it's not really grippy. That could be an issue because it's really easy to move it in smooth surfaces, as you can see. For example, I'm going to be using this mostly for a miter saw, and the miter saw is huge. Which one we got? Metabo. So that thing is huge. When we push it down, you know, it actually usually slides on the floor because we use it on the floor right now. So you know, that's going to be an issue, but I think if we clamp it down, you know, it shouldn't move or anything. With that weight, this might be okay. But you know, that's another thing. You could use rubber feet or whatever, but honestly, you gotta say, for $100, this thing is solid. So if you guys need any product information, be sure to check the description. If you guys have any questions at all, please ask me. I'll answer it as best as I can. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.